Welcome to OPPA MART!
Hi, Oppa! Hi, Oppa! Hi, Oppa!
Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Reymond, Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, we traveled all the way from San Fernando, Pampanga, dito sa Guiguinto, Bulacan, just to check out this newly opened mart.
So Korean mart na bagong-bago at the same time, one of a kind dito sa Guiguinto, Bulacan.
So for today's vlog, nauso dati yung mga spicy noodle challenge, no? So we're gonna do that again. Pero titingnan natin kung sino mananalo sa amin dalawa.
And a little bit twist, much spicier than before.
Spicier than before. So before we get into that challenge, let us give you a tour of the place.
So tara, let's go!
I am Ryan Gasso, owner of this Korean store. Welcome to OPPA MART.
Considering the place, no? I think this is a mid-size Korean mart. Surprisingly, guys, ang dami ng mga variants ng mga product niya dito. Actually, sila pa yung mga nagsusupply ng mga ibang Korean stores dito. So,
Actually, di naman siya ganun kalaki. Pero
Yes.
masasabi kong kumpleto siya.
kumpleto siya.
Meron siyang meat, meron
Yes.
siyang mga pang samgyupsal like kimchi, lettuce, at the same time mga noodles, meron din sila dito.
Even yung mga Korean products na hinahanap natin, like yung mga papangganda, mga pang beauty products, as well as mga ginagamit natin sa mga kitchen, like yung mga stove. So available din pala sila dito. So nasabi nga namin sa inyo, it's a complete Korean mart. And actually dito rin makikita yung mga hard to find products natin for mga Korean dishes. Like this, mga mushrooms, mga side dishes, mga cheese. Of course, hindi mawawala yung mga drinks natin, mga Korean drinks natin. Right, so on this section naman guys, we have some frozen products, frozen ice cream, so ice cream on sticks. Then dito naman yung mga meat nila, so very complete, no? May mga pang shabu-shabu, samgyupsal, we have some flavored, unflavored, bacon. Where else can you go?
Even na hindi kami ganun kalaki, medium size lang kami. Still, kompleto kami ng all items na hinahanap. O about the noodles and Samgyupsal sets and side dishes. Kompleto po kami ng CD, all brand. Jinru, Chamcharoom, and Good Day. Kami na po ang pinakamura here in Bulacan. So, pag nagpunta po kayo dito sa shop namin, may experience nyo, sasabihin nyo, wow, ang mura dito. Our shop's open at 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day. We are located at MacArthur Highway, Cruz, Guiguinto, Bulacan. Kahilera ng Petron, besides Cockpit Arena. Please come and visit our shop here at Guiguinto, Bulacan, mga ka-OPPA.
Yun nga guys, hindi mawawala sa mga Korean mart yung mga noodles. Ayan, so they have again a wide array ng mga items for noodles. Some are spicy, of course, yung mga titikman natin later. And then some are pang mga soup, kid-friendly, mga ramen na. Ayan, mga ramen and mga ramyun. Marami sila dito guys.
Okay. So to spice up the video, so ito yung napili namin to take the challenge. So ito yung Samyang times 3 spice. Yeah. So susubukan natin kung sinong mananalo, sinong makakatapos nitong times 3 na spicy noodles.
Alright, ayun guys. So grabe naman Mark. So dumayo pa tayo dito sa Guiguinto, Bulacan.
Para
just
lang
to
tikman yung ano nila, spicy
so,
noodles.
yeah, once again,
times
thank you so much OPPA MART for inviting us dito po. This is by far Bulacan area na pinuntahan natin. And grabe, yeah. This is it, the spicy noodle challenge. So again, are you ready?
So our goal is to parang ubusin lang naman.
Siyempre,
to.
ubusin. Hindi magkukwit.
Yes.
And yeah,
Let's see. Start in 5, 4, 3, 2, go.
action. Ayan guys, oh, look at that. More.
fairness naman, masarap naman siya.
Actually, masarap siya.
Kaso sobrang ano lang, anghang.
Oh! Oh!
Let's finish it. I'm done.
Alright, so winner, Mark. Pero tapusin ko na to dahil
Ang price lang natin is isang gatas lang naman.
isang gatas. Another challenge done, challenge accepted. And once again, we would like to thank OPPA MART Bulacan for inviting us. Yung mga taga dito sa Guiguinto, no need to go to papunta ng Manila or
Pampanga for you to find yung mga Korean products. So, dito lang sa Guiguinto, meron na kayo makikita.
Again, guys, thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends.
That's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.